Ever wonder why Japanese gardens feel like stepping into a serene, living painting? Welcome to our explorations of Hiroshima's Japanese gardens. Join us as we explore its rich history, the influential daimyo who shaped its beauty, and the timeless art of Japanese garden design. Take the time to breathe during this serene moment. This is the Shuken Garden. It was commissioned in 1620 by Asano Nakakira, the daimyo of Hiroshima. But who were the daimyo? During the Japan feudal era, daimyo were powerful territorial lords who ruled vast regions. They play an important role not only as military leaders, but also as patrons of arts, particularly during the peacetime of the Edo period. The garden was designed by Ueda Soko, a renowned tea master and samurai. The garden was created to capture the essence of natural landscape in a condensed form. Each element is meticulously placed to evoke a sense of peace and harmony. In 1940, the Asano family donated the garden to the Hiroshima prefectures, and it was finally opened to the public. In 2020, the Shuken Garden celebrates its 400 years anniversary. Japanese gardens like the Shuken are more than just beautiful landscapes. They are expression of a deep philosophy. Over centuries, Japanese garden designs evolved through different styles. During the Asuka period, Japanese gardens were heavily influenced by Chinese cultures and Shinto spirituality. These gardens were often associated with the emperor and the capitals, reflecting a connection between nature, spirituality, and the divine. In the Heian period, garden designs became important among the noble class. Personal gardens became a symbol of status and refinement. At the Kamakura and Muromachi period, the Japanese garden saw the rise of Buddhist spirituality and the introductions of Zen gardens. These minimalist designs focus on rocks, gravels, and moss to create meditative space. The tea ceremony, which became deeply matched with the garden elegance, also emerged during this time. During the Azuchi Momoyama period, Japanese garden designs reached new heights of sophistication. These gardens often feature sophisticated ponds, bridge, and tea house, harmonizing natural beauty with artistic expression. C'est magnifique. Which lead us to the Edo period, and with this actual Shuken-en. It is not the most famous, but it is representative of the final evolution of the Japanese garden. These gardens are designed to be experienced as a journey, where each step reveals new perspective and hidden detail. Strolling through Shuken-en is appreciate the ideal blend of art and nature, the winding paths, the delicate placement of stones, and the careful selections of plants all contribute to an immersive experience that invites contemplations and reflection. Kancha, kangeki, ame arare.
The island, the shape of the turtle and the shape of the plane.
Thank you for joining us on the journey through Suken Garden. I hope it inspires you and helps you to understand what there is behind this tranquil beauty landscape. In the futures, I wish to speak about Zen Garden, so keep in touch if you want to know more about the Japanese culture. Until next time, peace and serenity. So this is the Hiroshima Castle.